Troubleshooting common issues in Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project offers comprehensive capabilities for effective project management. It helps users plan, execute, and track their work. That said, similar to other intricate software solutions, it can face a range of difficulties. You must troubleshoot common issues, whether you're a seasoned project manager or new to Microsoft Project. It is key to keeping your projects on track. Task scheduling problems. One of the most common issues in Microsoft Project is related to task scheduling. Users often find that their tasks are not scheduled as expected. Causes. This can occur due to wrong start and finish dates, task dependencies, or resource allocation issues. Solutions. Check task dependencies. Ensure that the relationships between tasks are correctly defined. You can adjust the dependency type, finish to start to start, etc., to fit your project. Resource management issues. Effective resource management is crucial for project success. Users often struggle with this. Causes. Common issues are over-allocation, wrong assignments, or missing info. Solutions. Review resource allocation. Check for over-allocation in the resource sheet view. If resources are over-allocated, consider leveling resources or adjusting their workload. Formatting and display issues. Users often report problems with the display and format of Gantt charts and other views in Microsoft Project. Causes. Formatting issues can arise from users' preferences, software updates, or changes to project settings. Solutions. Reset views. If your Gantt chart or other views are wrong, reset the view to default settings. This can often resolve display issues. Customize the Gantt chart. Change the bar styles, colors, and text to make it more visible. Performance and stability issues. Performance issues can hinder productivity, leading to slow response times or crashes. Causes. Large project files, low hardware, or software bugs can hurt performance. Solutions. Update software. Ensure that Microsoft Project is updated to the latest version. Software updates often contain bug fixes and performance improvements. Conclusion. In conclusion, to troubleshoot common issues in Microsoft Project, use a systematic approach. It will help you identify and fix problems. Understanding users' common challenges can help you. These include task scheduling, resource management, formatting, data import, export, and performance.